Hey guys, it's Jana Cervantes with Cervantes Dream Homes, and I wasn't actually planning on filming today, as you can tell, but I came across this Airbnb and I got to thinking, wow, let me do a quick little video about rental income here at Canyon Lake, Texas. So this little home here is coming fully furnished for about $475,000, and it is a great investment property. Whether you want to come spend the weekends at Canyon Lake or you want to use it for some rental property, this is a great idea. And there's lots of areas here in Canyon Lake where you can buy the property and then use it for an Airbnb, so the restrictions aren't there. Okay, my name's Jana Cervantes. I'm with Cervantes Dream Homes, and I am out here at Canyon Lake today. And if you have never been to my channel, shame on you. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell. Again, not normally looking like this, but couldn't pass up the opportunity to show all of my wonderful clients and customers and viewers this great little house here on Canyon Lake. And there are multiple like this. It can range from 200,000 to obviously over $1 million, whatever your budget is. Just reach out to me because I want to make sure that you get the investment property that you're looking for. So don't hesitate to call me, email me, whatever it is, I can make it smooth for you. Let's go look at this house. Okay guys, I was out here at Canyon Lake, so I wanted to show you the property and let you see it. So here's the outside. Nice. It does have a big driveway. I wanted to show you that. Lots of parking, lots of room. Okay, let's go ahead and go look inside. The lady who takes care of the property is here, but that's okay. So nice little covered porch, sitting area, very nice. And when you come in here to the right, you've got a bedroom, decorated really cute.
Hand painted.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's gotta be hand painted.
Yeah, Carrie hand painted that.
That is very cute. So there's one room there, guys. Look at the wallpaper, that's super cute. Love the jungle. What a cute kitchen. Look at that with the seating area. Is there storage under there? I bet there is.
There is storage.
Gotcha. Nice open feel. Ah, got the stacked washer and dryer right here, which this one does come fully furnished. And then we've got, oh, another big bedroom here. Okay. With its own little bathroom area. Not huge, but big enough. Oh, I have just been told, oh, there's the hot tub, guys. There's the door to get to the hot tub off of the, I guess this could be the primary. I'll take you out there in a minute, guys, so you can see. Yeah. Here we've got nice fireplace, sitting area, which you can still talk to the people in the kitchen, which is nice. Love that. Little dining area. Lots of natural light. Love that. Cute. It's decorated really cute. Love that. We go through here. We've got another bathroom with a shower tub combo. Oh, nice little cute bedroom here. Oh, I love the walls. Nice and cheery. Very cute. Love that. Okay, let's go out for the reason you want to be here. Look at this cute porch, guys. Ah, there's the lake. There it is. It's got a deck. Okay, I'll take you up there in a second. So you can see here, you've got a fire area over there where the hot tub is. Look at the view. Look at the view. Barbecue area. Very nice. Let's go upstairs so you can see the whole view. Oh, it's got enter at your own risk, but it's fine. I'm gonna enter at my own risk. Ooh. Okay, coming up here. Wow. Look at that. Really nice. Okay, and this is the Airbnb here in Canyon Lake. If you've ever thought about owning rental property here in Canyon Lake, let me tell you the reasons why. You've got Gruene, Texas, you've got New Braunfels very close by, you've got Fredericksburg, tubing, fishing, boating, skiing, kayaking, whatever it is that you want to do on the water, this is a beautiful place to do it. And that is why Canyon Lake is one of the premier hill country places for Airbnbs. I hope you've enjoyed my impromptu video of this Airbnb in Canyon Lake, and I hope you understand that no matter what your price point is, if you are interested in investing in Airbnb, call me and reach out to me. I'm here in the Canyon Lake area, and I promise I will come looking a little better. But like I said, I couldn't miss out on this opportunity to make this video for you. And it's not about what I look like. It's about helping you make that transition to get your rental property, whether it's a weekend getaway for you. Maybe you want to live here in Canyon Lake. That's great too. Give me a call. All right, reach out to me. I'll make that transition as smooth as possible. See you in Texas, y'all.